Let's do the revision of the class 1 and class 2. In class 1, I showed how to make chain stitch. So let's start. Take the crochet thread, the needle, twist the crochet thread, twist the thread like this. Okay. Put the thread in the hook and pull it out. This is the way to make the chain stitch, which I taught you all in class 1. Let's make the chain stitch. Then in class 2, that is in my second video, I showed how to make double chain stitch. That is, put the needle in this chain, okay? Then pull the thread out and then do it again like this, okay? Then again in the next chain, pull the thread out and then again, then do it again. Okay. Then okay. So this is how it looks.